see that again. You using your spoon to eat? Use my spoon to eat. Oh, sneaky. Breakfast? I'm gonna use your spoon. Ready? Here you go. Here you go. Want a banana on your spoon? Oh, ready? Banana on your spoon. Go ahead. Oh. Yeah! Big boy. Show me that spoon. Is that good? You want to do it again? Want another banana? Here you go. Oh, banana. Okay, go ahead. Let's see if you can do it again. You did it, you big muffin. Here, have some food. No? You want some more? You want another banana on your spoon? Oh boy. Let's see. Oh! Oh, you missed it. Let's try it again. There you go. Oh! Almost. Almost. Boop. Try again. There you go. Good job. You're such a big boy. Say yay. Oh. Oh. Show everybody your big belly.